Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. This is the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast.
Welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. I hope everyone's having a great day. Guys, I wanted to go through today and talk to you about something that I'm very passionate about and something that's sort of come across my desk again, actually. It was yesterday. I'm actually off to Malaysia coming up very, very soon. And it's for the Traders Fair. It's the Financial Expo, or FinExpo, Traders Fair and Gala Night. Now, the event is for traders. It's basically a Traders Fair, hence the name. And there's a huge list. There's over 100,000 attendees, 3,000 sponsors, 30 events, and 500 speakers, of which I am one of those speakers. I am the only speaker who is talking about crypto. Now, what does this actually mean? Well, look, from my point of view, I obviously came from a traditional trading background. Excuse me, I traded commodities, FX, stocks, bonds, you name it. If it moved, I traded it, and that's how I found myself at the foot of Bitcoin last year. And what I had to do is I started working through the slides. I got to create some content. I have much of the content that I need for most presentations, but because this is sort of a different audience, this is not so much just a crypto audience. As a matter of fact, it's probably very low on the crypto participation. I looked at it and thought, well, I've got to create some stuff here. And I thought to myself, what got me over here? And I started looking at some of my better charts for this year and thinking, to be honest, I haven't had a huge number of trades. I haven't had as many trades as what I would do if I was, say, trading everything else, bar crypto. So, if I was trading FX, commodities, bonds, stocks, all that, I probably would have had more trades this year. But I tell you what, I can't see how I would have had a better reward to risk multiple. And I went through a couple of those trades, and in 4 trades, and look, honestly, 2 of those trades were absolute crackers. The other 2 were pretty good, but not crackers in the crypto sense, but they would be absolutely crackers in the sense of traditional markets. And look, I've scaled out of these trades at 1-to-1 and left the second half to run to its eventual target. Now, over those 4 trades, I returned 40 times my risk multiple. Okay, so let's say that's $1,000 per trade to make the math nice and simple. That means for the $1,000 that I risked 4 times, so $4,000 risk, I made $40,000 back. The idea behind that, and that, as I say, that is scaling out at 1-to-1. That is with risk minimization. I've got trades there that have done, I think one of them was 29-to-1. Reward to risk multiple. Now, don't get that wrong as a 29x, because it's not. It's not the growth. It's not the double and double and double and double and double and double and double. It's the risk multiple between my entry price and stop loss. There was a 29 multiple growth there. So there has been some amazing trades, and I looked at it and I thought to myself, my goodness, if these people actually turn up to listen to a guy speak about crypto at a Forex and Traders Fair, I am going to turn some goddamn heads here, because I looked at the market when I looked at it last year and thought, holy Jesus, look at the size of the rewards. Look at the runs that you get. Now, if anybody is sitting in the audience when I do present, and please do come along, it's in Malaysia on June 30. It's going to be a really good event. I'm sure it's going to be a big event. And I'm looking forward to getting over there. But yeah, for anybody who's going to be in that room, it's going to be quite interesting, because traders look for one thing, that they look to make money and minimize their risk. It's a multiple of risk that we're looking to grow. Now, with crypto, we have an amazing opportunity to do that in a market that is extraordinarily volatile. The trading strategy is still set up just the same as any other market, because it's human emotion that we're trading. But the reward is just insanely high. Now, of course, what this does is, I've got the old saying, even a turkey can fly in a hurricane. Let's say you took those 4 trades and you got your 40 times risk multiple return. That means you would have had to have lost, even if you sucked at trading, you would have had to have lost 40 trades in a row to be back at break even. Now, this is the kind of insane power that this market has, and if you're not trading this market, then you're really missing out. Yes, buying into the market is a great thing. Of course it is. Investing in the space, great thing. Yep, absolutely. But trading this market opens up a whole nother kettle of fish, a whole nother income stream, and a whole nother area for you to make money. And also, you can make money whether the market goes up or down, which is obviously a pretty damn important thing. So, when I went through and looked at these slides again, I went, holy Jesus, look at this. It rekindled to me what was really exciting when I got into crypto. And it still is. It's just become more normalized now. Look at things and you're thinking to yourself, I can manage my risk here. The reward is unlimited, but the risk is, because I limit my risk. Now, there are some pros and cons. I did cover that in the slides as well. The pros are obviously the massive moves. The cons are we can't trade everything. It's not as accessible as, I can trade any foreign exchange pair I like. I can't trade any Bitcoin cross pair I like or any token I like in both directions. That is a little bit of an annoyance, but the market will develop there. Now, I've turned my back on everything else because this market is so dynamic and so profitable for those that know what they're doing. And if you don't know what you're doing, then you need to learn how to actually get trading. So get in there, get it started. Don't faff about, get in. But I'm looking forward to this event in Malaysia, guys. It's going to be a real eye-opener for a lot of people in the crowd. If you're around in the area on June 30, please do come along. It should be a lot of fun. I look forward to presenting to the audience. And I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I really recall having to sort of dig back as to what got me excited about this space and why I came into it. The moves are phenomenal. I'm a trader. Maybe you're not, and maybe you should be. Have a good day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. Check out tradercobb.com because experience matters.